Okay. Amongst the memos considered for today's ESCO proceedings is a memo from the River State Ministry of Power regarding the River State government-owned gas turbine unit and accessories, fully paid for and abandoned in the Netherlands since 2012, and the complaint made against Saipem Constructing Nigeria Limited and their role in the matter, which has caused the River State government a huge cost in terms of demurrage charges and others. Consequently, Council unanimously approved this memo and, amongst others, directed the Honorable Attorney General of River State to file criminal proceedings against Saipem Constructing Nigeria Limited for her role in this ugly incident. Thank you very much.
I go. Today, October 21st, 2021, the State Executive Council approved 2 road projects proposed by the Ministry of Works. Both projects are for reconstruction of a total of 46.5 kilometers of roads. One of these 2 projects is for the reconstruction of Oyibo Okoloma Road. The project scope is 19.4 kilometers, 10.3 meters wide, with 24 kilometers of drains. It will be awarded at a cost of 11.483 billion to Messrs. Lubric Construction Company Limited for completion within 12 months. The second project is for the reconstruction of Chokocho Ibodo Road in Eche local government. The road length is 27.1 kilometers and it's 11.3 meters wide with 22 kilometers of drains. The project will be awarded at a cost of 13.523 billion to Messrs. Cetraco Nigeria Limited and will be constructed within 12 months. The benefits of these 2 roads offered to the communities they traverse, our state and neighboring states connected by and to these roads are obvious and need not be overemphasized. It is worthy of note that these projects are both well-considered responses to the yearnings of our people. Thank you and God bless you.
The River State Executive Council at its 15th Executive Council meeting held today at the Executive Council chambers approved the award of the River State Magistrates Courts Complex, which will be located at the former Public Works Department complex at Moscow Road, directly opposite the police headquarters. And we actually have a space of about 20.5 plots of land there, which is approximately 9,500 square meters of land for this project. And the scope of the project includes the construction of 24 number magistrate courts, which will be housed in 4 number 2-story structures, that's 3 floors each, because each of the buildings, quite gigantic buildings, is going to be housing 6 magistrate courts each. And apart from the 24 courts, we're also going to be having a 2-story complex, which will house the exhibit storage, the canteen, and also the sick bay building. We're also going to have a detention facility. We're also going to have the gatehouse and, of course, external works and provision of power supply, CCTV, water supply is also inclusive in the scope of works. We have obtained from the Bureau of Public Procurement certificates of no objection for the project, which has been subdivided into 2 lots. The total contract sum for the entirety of the project is 8,150,661,988 naira, 46 kobo. And it is subdivided into 2 lots awarded to very competent contractors. Lot 1 comprises of 2 buildings of the magistrate courts, which is going to be housing 12, which is the 12 courts, and then also the detention facility and the external works. And Lot 1 is going to be awarded, Lot 1 is going for 4.13 billion naira. Lot 2 also has 2 magistrate courts buildings, which is going to house 12 courts, and of course the canteen and exhibit storage and the sick bay building, and it's at a cost of 3.985 billion. Our expectation is that we will not exceed the time limit for this project, as the contract duration, the contract completion time for this project is set at 8 months. And we believe in God that by July next year, we'll be ready for the commissioning of this project. This project is necessitated by the fact that the current State High Court complex, also housing Magistrate, has become very congested and unconducive for the judicial officers. And this has also led in a way to the delay in the dispensation of justice. So this is a good thing that will happen to the Rivers State Judiciary. Thank you.
Good evening. The Rivers State Executive Council at its 15th meeting held today, that was presided over by His Excellency Nyesom Wike, the Governor of Rivers State, took a lot of decisions concerning the development of Rivers State. The decisions include the power sector, road infrastructure, the judiciary, and of course, the finance and budgetary preparations of the state as it relates to the medium-term expenditure framework. The relevant ministries will now give you details of the decisions that were taken.
Okay, thank you so much. Among the decisions taken, as you've been informed, first is the approval by Council of the Rivers State Medium-Term Expenditure Framework 2022 to 2024. Second is also the approval by Council that the Rivers State government should participate in the federal government and Nigerian Governors Forum supported bridging finance facility for subnational economies, which is supposed to cushion the impact of the repayments of the bailouts. So these were three major decisions taken, among the major decisions taken to help move the state forward.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.